Hi, good morning. It's me.
Hi, good morning, Saranya.
Hi, Samir. Good morning. Hi, good morning. It's me.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning, Saranya.
Hi, Samir. Good morning. Hi, good morning. It's me.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Samir. Namaste. So we are live on Facebook, and today is a great day of the 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, which is also observed as a National Youth Day. So we shall begin today's session with a short prayer of Swamiji. So we will play the Namaskaram prayer.
नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्द सूरये सच्चित् सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्द सूरये सच्चित् सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे
So, namaste, everyone. We all convey our greetings to the great soul of the soil, son of Bharat, Swami Vivekanand. And Swamiji had special focus for the empowerment of youth, their health, and their fitness. So we thought there could be no other way than to start the day with a yoga session with a young yoga practitioner. So I would like to take this opportunity to introduce Samir. So Samir is from Nasik, and he has been practicing yoga from last 5 years. He also did his masters in yoga, and Samir is also a volleyball player, and he has played various games at the state level. So Samir is also a person who has been closely associated with various grassroots level developmental work in Maharashtra specifically, and he has also trained police personnel in yoga sessions. So Samir, welcome to the session, and आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप हमको समय देने के लिए, and we are looking forward to this wonderful session. And Samir has been also a very, very good friend of mine, and he's also a student of Iyengar Yoga. So we are looking forward to a very, very uh, refreshing session to start the day with. Samir.
please adjust me because I'm not very fluent in English. So sometimes I'm using English and Hindi. So please cooperate.
It's perfectly fine, Samir.
Before we start the session, हम ये सोचते हैं कि what is the fitness? क्योंकि like in pandemic we learn many things. जैसे फैमिली के पास आए या क्लोज जो रिलेशन है हमारा फैमिली के साथ अच्छी तरीके से कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा था. दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ योगा. विवेकानंद ऑल्सो से कि खुद को कनेक्ट करना जरूरी है दूसरों के साथ और खुद के साथ भी. So how yoga help to connect with yourself to others also. So in I'm not taking that name. This is very Iyengar name is very famous and big name. But when you start yoga practice, start to learn to connect with your body parts with open eyes, because हमारा जो रूटीन लाइफ है उसमें जो ऑब्स्टिकल आते हैं वो क्लोज आइज बंद आइज से नहीं आते, बंद आंखों से नहीं होते. सो जो खुली आंख से हमको ऑब्स्टिकल आने उसको फेस करना है. सो योगा गिव यू अ फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ, स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ, इमोशनल हेल्थ. नॉट ओनली इट इज जस्ट एक्सरसाइज. सो फर्स्ट हमें ये देखना है कि योग इज नॉट ओनली फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, और जो पोस्चर्स है दैट इज हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव योर ईच एंड एवरी सेल्स ऑफ बॉडी. और जैसे हम उसको कनेक्ट करते हैं वैसे हमारा खुद के साथ इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू होता है. देन वी, बिकॉज आसना इज द थर्ड स्टेप इन 8 लिम्स. जो अष्टांग योग है उसमें आसन थर्ड स्टेप है. बिफोर थर्ड स्टेप 2 स्टेप जो है यम और नियम. यम जो है सोसाइटी कैसे बिहेव करना है हमें, और नियम जो है सोसाइटी में कैसे हमको बिहेव करना है. सो उसके बाद फिर यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. दैट इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग स्टेप. सो वी स्टार्ट लाइक यूथ. हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि जैसे हमारा फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छा रहेगा उतना मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छा रहने वाला है. सो देयर इज अ वन थॉट, साउंड बॉडी इन अ साउंड माइंड. जो सुदृढ़ शरीर होता है उसमें सुदृढ़ मन होता है. सो हमें जो योग के द्वारा लाइक राजयोग में भी कहा गया है कि पहले तुम खुद को चेंज करो. उसमें मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बता सकता हूँ. विवेकानंद की स्टोरी है. एक औरत थी जो उसके बच्चों को जैगरी खाने की बहुत आदत थी, गुड़. सो वो जैसे वो आती थी स्वामी जी को पूछती थी ये बहुत जैगरी खाते हैं, उसको परेशानी हो सकती है. तो वो बोले ठीक है आप 2 दिन बाद आ जाना. फिर वो औरत 2 दिन के बाद आती है और फिर बोलती कि वो आपने कुछ सोचा उसके लिए, कुछ बता सकते हैं बच्चों के लिए. तो उसने कहा ठीक है आप 2 से 3 दिन बाद फिर आना. फिर आने के बाद वो औरत पूछती कि अभी भी कुछ आपको मिला है बच्चों को बताने के लिए. तो स्वामी जी ने कहा ठीक है अभी मैं उनको बताता हूँ कि बेटे जैगरी नहीं खाना, दैट इज नॉट गुड. ज्यादा खाने से आपको उससे हानि हो सकती है, हार्मफुल हो सकता है. सो वो औरत बोली कि आप तो ये पहले दिन भी कह सकते थे. लेकिन उसमें स्वामी जी ने कहा कि वो जो जैगरी है वो उसको 4-5 दिन में खुद खा रहा था. जब तक मेरी जो इच्छा है वो टल नहीं जाती, हट नहीं जाती, तब तक मैं दूसरों को बताने को लायक नहीं होता. तो एटलीस्ट हमें जो कुछ भी करना है फर्स्ट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अस. खुद से ही शुरू करना है, हमारे फैमिली से भी नहीं. खुद से जब शुरू कर सकते हो तब जाके कोई आप किसी को बताने को लाइक वैलिड होते हो. जो चीज आप खुद कर रहे हो और जो नॉलेज है यू कैन जस्ट शेयर, यू कैन नॉट फोर्स देम. सो विवेकानंद जी का भी कहना यही था कि डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम टू दैट. लोगों को दिखाने के लिए टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड डू इट. आपको जो लगता है वो करते रहो, करते रहो. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. So I think I'm not taking that much time for you. You are coming for yoga session. This is philosophy class. So we will start from the one prayer before we start yoga session. Everyone should be sit. Sit in simple cross knee. Sit straight, tall. Join your palm to your chest. Gently close your eyes. Maintain back straight. Sit tall. Few breathing cycle, inhalation, exhalation. If you are possible, you can chant or we can chant together. Start prayer for 3 Omkars and then Patanjali Sutra. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणम् सहस्रशिरसं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् हरिः ओम्. With exhalation, bow your head down. Release your hands. Open your eyes. Legs straight. So can you just tell to others? Just कैमरा शुरू करने को बोल सकते हो because there is दिखाई नहीं दे रहा कौन क्या कर रहा है. I'm telling anyone or कुछ बताना.
So whoever is comfortable can switch on the camera. Samir, live में भी बहुत लोग हैं, तो you can just continue, है ना?
First from the standing pose, that is name is Uttanasana. I am showing you side view also. This is the take distance between your feet, like shoulder. Yes. Extend your hands upward and then slowly while exhaling, slowly go down. Exhale and go further. Try to touch your fingers on the floor. Or if you cannot touch, you can hold your shin ankle, shin bone, whatever you possible. You are huge, so you should be trying to hold your at least ankle. Leg should be straight in a knee. Do sideways. Maintain this posture. Neck inside. Breathe. Feel the stretch on your hamstring, back of thigh. That is help to relax your legs for your sitting work, standing work. Release by inhaling, hand extended forward. Inhale and come up. Release the hand. Just interlock your fingers behind like this. Distance between the feet. Just roll your shoulder back. Suck your knee and thigh upward. Neck straight. Because nowadays we are all are sitting in front of laptop, computer. So we get some catches, some pressure on our neck. So please do it properly. Now change your interlock because we are habitual with one interlock. So change your interlock and one more time do it. Yes. Set your knee and thigh upward. Don't lose your leg also. Look straight. Roll your shoulder. Feel the pressure on your shoulder blades and shoulders. elbow, every full of arm and hands. Now release. Yes, very good. One more time, we are going to do Uttanasana. Extend your hands upward. Exhale, slowly go down. One more time, hold, breathe, relax. When you feel uneasy, that time you should also do this. Or someone cannot go down too much, you can use the chair for that. Halfway down, that's called Ardha Uttanasana. You can rest your hands on that chair and just feel the pressure on your back. Straight your back. Hold for a while. Release. Senior citizen also can do this pose with this chair. Yes. Now slowly, both hands up. Urdhva Baddha Hastasana. Hold your right arm with your left hand and hold your left arm with your left elbow with your right hand. Extend yourself upward. Yes, exactly. Suck your knee and thigh. Don't lose your leg. Extend your hands. Very good. Now release. Change the hand position. Now you are holding with your right arm with the left hand, and then you can do yes. This is a Urdhva Baddha Hastasana. Interlock your hands upward and extend yourself upward. Yes. Extend, extend. Very good. Please. These all our poses is helping to your shoulder, neck, side trunk, back also. Now take a distance, at least 3 to 4 feet distance. Yes. Now just extend your hands up. Turn your feet inside, right feet inside, left feet inside. Yes. Exhale and slowly go down. Try to touch the floor. This is a Prasarita Padottanasana. Yes. Look forward. Yes, very good. If you can't reach on the floor, take some height for your hands so you get good pressure, or you can straight your leg. Very good. Hold this pose. Now just you can turn your head down. Hold for a while. This is also resting pose actually, but you can feel the pressure on your side, back of thigh and side trunk. Very good, Shabas. Okay, now release. Do pose. Inhale and come up. Just join your feet. Roll your shoulder. We are now going to do Tadasana. Extend your hands back. Chest up. Look forward. Join your feet. Suck your knee and thigh upward. Extend your hands back and down. Chest up. Contract your every body parts, every body muscle. Just relax your abdomen. Breathe. Breathe. Don't lose your fingers also. Spread your fingers well, because we are using many times the keyboards and mouse. Sometimes we are right also, so that time we get some pain in your fingers and hands. So spread your finger well. Like a mountain. This is a mountain pose. Tadasana. Now release. Relax. Take one more. Take distance between your leg. One more time. Turn your right feet. Turn your right foot towards right side. Extend your hands. We are going to do Trikonasana. Extend yourself towards right side and slowly go down to try to touch or hold your shin bone or ankle. Extend your left hand upward. Look forward. Don't look up. Look forward. And suck your knee and thigh. Feel the pressure on your inner groin, back and shoulder also. Slight little pressure on your neck. Inhale and come up. Turn your feet in. Other side, turn your right feet. Extend your right hand towards right and then slowly exhale and go down. Hold as much as you possible your knee, shin bone, ankle, which is comfortable, possible for you. Do not force too much because if you get catch or some cramp in that part, then you can release the force. Extend your other hand. Very good. Now inhale and come up. Yes. Turn the right foot in. Hands down. Join your leg. Paschima Baddha Hastasana. This is also good for your shoulders and neck. You can hold your left arm to your right hand. Yes. You can do with standing also because I am ये दिख नहीं रहा था, that's why I am sitting here. You can do with your standing. अर्ध पश्चिम बद्ध. पश्चिम means अपने पीछे का जो भाग होता है शरीर का, back body, that's called पश्चिमा, and front body is the पूर्व. So just roll. It's looking like this. पश्चिम बद्ध हस्तासन. Roll your shoulders back, feel the pressure and stretch on your other hand. Now release, change the hand position. Hold with your left hand with your right arm. Roll your both shoulder. When you hold with your left hand, that time left shoulder is not going back. So first roll and turn your shoulder, left shoulder, then roll your other shoulder. Right hand fingers straight and extended. Don't bend this. Be straight and steady with your leg. Now release. Yes. Breathe. 5 to 6 cycle of breathing. We are going to do Parshva Konasana. Take more distance in your feet. And before we go into Parshva Konasana, we can do Veerbhadrasana Prakar second, type 2. So just try to bend your one leg, right feet out and bend your right knee. Yes, and right, place your left outrage of feet. Extend your hands sidewise. Yes, very good. That it gives you a good thigh strength, leg strength, inner groin. It helps to open your pelvic girdle also. Now release. Inhale and come up. Hand down. Turn your right foot in, left foot out. Extend your hands upward, hands in the shoulder line. Yes. Now try to bend your left knee. Yes. In a 90 degree. Place your outrage of right foot. Extend your hands sideways. Yes, very good, Prashant. Breathe, breathe. Okay. Now please place your left feet. Use your left thigh strength. Yes. And now turn your left feet in. Join your feet. One more time. Press with Uttanasana. Hands in the shoulder line. Exhale and slowly go down. Rest for a while. This is the resting pose. Detach yourself in Uttanasana. Yes, go down. Exactly, very good. Breathe, breathe, recover. Yes. Now slowly come up. Inhale and come up. One more time, we are going to other variation of Uttanasana, like Urdhva Hastasana in Uttanasana. So extend your hand up, hold the left arm with your right hand, and hold your right elbow, left elbow to your right hand. Exhale and slowly go down. Yes. Side way, side view. Yes, go down. With your elbow. Leg should be straight. Deform on your leg. Check your knee and thigh. Don't lose your front body. So grip it up and extend your elbow, hands downwards. Yes, that's called Baddhahasta Uttanasana. Very good. Release, inhale and come up. Release. Now we are going to do Parshvottanasana. Don't take too much tension. That name is maybe very difficult for you. Yes. So right leg forward, left leg back, hands upward. Yes. If you see sideways, this is like this. Press your back, outrage, back knee. Extend your hands up and then slowly exhale and go down. If you can reach on the floor, you can. Otherwise, you can hold your shin or ankle, which is comfortable or for you. Yes, very good. Shabash, Prashant, good one. Okay, now release, inhale and come up. Change your side. Turn your left feet in, right feet out. Yes. Hands upward. Exhale and slowly go down. Yes. Feel the pressure on your back of thigh. That helps to relax your leg muscles. Blood circulation बढ़िया होगा यहाँ पे. Give a good strength in your knee, ankle also. Very good. Now release. Inhale and come up. Very good. Join your feet. One more time. We are change your hand position. We are doing Baddhahasta Uttanasana. So change your hand position. One more time. We are going forward bend. Exhale and go down. Change the hand position. Extend yourself towards your feet. Recover and readjust. Very good. Breathe, breathe. Yes, now release. Okay. One more time we are going to all these poses like Trikonasana, Virabhadrasana Prakar, type 2 and Parshvottanasana. Okay? Prashant, come on, ready. Take a distance. Now we are going to do Trikonasana first. Take a 3 feet or 3.5 feet distance with your feet. Extend your hands sideways. Turn your right feet out 90 degree. Exhale and slowly go down. Yes. Extend your hands up. Knee should be straight in the knee. Don't need to go too much down. You can hold your shin also. Feel, suck your knee and thigh. Don't lose your front body, front thigh. Right leg, left leg, knee, suck it upward. Feel the pressure. Very good. Now release. Inhale and come up. Hands like this, shoulder level. Turn your left feet in, right feet in, other feet out. Extend one more time. Exhale and go down. Very good. Keep going, Prashant. Very good. Extend your hands. Look forward. Don't look up. Don't close your eyes. With open eyes, you can feel the pressure and stretch on your body, leg. Breathe. Okay, now release. Inhale and come up. Turn your right foot, left foot in, hands down. Is there any problem, Prashant?
No, everything is fine. I just lost some balance.
Okay. So breathe and concentrate. One more time, hands in the shoulder line. Now we are going to do Virabhadrasana type 2. Turn your right feet out completely and try to bend your right knee and extend your body towards opposite side, your left side. You can remove your hands down and you can keep your hands on the waist also. Try to bend your leg in a 90 degree. You can feel the pressure on your inner groin, stretch in inner groin, pressure on your thigh, which is bending you in 90 degree. Okay, now hands in the shoulder line. Place your right feet outside feet and slowly inhale and come up. Turn your right feet in, left feet out. Very good. One more time. Try to bend your left feet. Exhale and slowly go down. Bend is 90 degree. Hands on waist. Upper portion straight. Feel, observe, breathe. Yes. There is a 90 degree angle here between your knee and thigh. Very good. Release, hands in the shoulder line. Place your left foot firmly. Inhale and come up. Now release. Turn your left foot in. Hands down. Join your leg. Now we are going to do Prasarita Padottanasana. If you need some height, you can take distance, 3 feet distance in your feet. Keep your hands on the height and just bend your elbow and slowly go down. Elbow should be in. Sucking your knee and thigh. Yes. This is also resting pose. You can look sideways and so. Yes. Prasarita Padottanasana. Yes, very good. अरे इधर खाती घेऊन जा रे आई. Very good. Recover yourself. Breathe, breathe. Okay. Release. Inhale and come up. Join your feet. Your body is most warm. So we are now going to try balancing pose. First we do Vrikshasana with the right leg. So bend your right leg. Keep your right feet on your left thigh, inner groin. Right, yes, right. Keep your feet firmly. Yes. Place your right feet on your left thigh. And you raise your hands up. Don't join your palm. Just raise your hands up and extend yourself upward. Yes, be firm on your right leg. Extend. If you lose your body, then you get lost your balance. So extend upward. Yes. Release. Hands down. Leg down. Other side. Those who cannot balance, definitely go to the wall. Take a support of wall. And you can, yes, keep your changes leg. Keep your other leg. Yes, you can slowly increase your hands to the upward. Yes. Take a wall support also, back view or side view also. Like you are taking support and extending up. So you can balance. Don't be afraid about the balancing pose. Yes, extend, please. Slowly take down. One more time, other side. At least remembering कि ये याद रहना चाहिए कि हमें क्या करना है. So try to, and coming forward. This is your inner groin. Keep your feet like this. There is no gap. हवा को भी जाने के लिए उधर जगह नहीं देनी है. There is no space to for air also. And now extending upward. I'm pressing this feet on my back thigh, right thigh. Okay. Yes, very good, Prashant. Shabas. Everyone, very good. Extend upward. Yes. Now release. Hands down. Take. One more time. Other side. Vrikshasana. Be firm like a tree. कुछ भी हो जाए, हवा आती है, बारिश आती है, सब आते हैं, हर एक मौसम में वो डटी रहती है, वो any situation. So that is also lesson from us कि whatever in your life happening, don't be afraid. उसको ही fight करना है. That is the meaning of Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana की तरह खड़े रहना है. Okay, release. Now one more time, just go down. Keep your hands on the knee. Leg down. Breathe. 7 to 8 cycle of breathing. Recover yourself. Yes. Recover. Understand? But at least from this day, start your yoga. If those who cannot do or not doing regularly, at least do at least 2 to 3 days in a week. That is also help to balance your body. Okay. One more balancing pose we are going to try. Veerbhadrasana type 3. Those who cannot, those who can do. But those who have knee issues ankle issues, leg issues, lumbar issues, like back issues, they people cannot do. Other people, yes. Start with your right leg forward, left leg back. Before, like Parshvottanasana, we are going down. Yes, and slowly come up. Your other leg is coming up. Extend your hands sideways. Sorry, front way. Look back, look down. Extend your hands forward. Extend your upper leg. जो पैर ऊपर उठाया, extend back. That helps to balance. Very good. Shabash. Yes. Leg should be straight. Very nice. Okay, now release. Slowly come down. Other side. Change the side. Those who cannot do, those who cannot balance, they can take support of this chair or whatever you have in your house. You can raise your hands and just raise one leg up. So that helps to balance. Don't do like this, so you fall. So as much as you possible, you can raise your one leg up. Feel the pressure. Yes, very good. Release. Yes. Very good, Prashant. One more time, other side. Now, अभी आपको पता चल गया कैसे करना है. So be firm and confident about this pose. Virabhadrasana type 3. Yes. Slowly go. Balance. Extend. Don't lose any part of body. If you lose, then you can fall. So do not lose your any body parts. Use every body parts to be a team member in asana. Very nice. Good, good. Okay, now release. Other side. और जो कोई अपना पैर उठा नहीं सकता है, but they can lift our hand. So you can keep your leg on this chair and you can just do like this. So you get pressure on your, which is like on touching the floor. Next step. So you get good pressure on that part, that leg. Release. Yes. Slowly. Those who can, simple cross leg. Simple cross leg. Sit down and just bend forward. Slowly go down. This is also resting pose, Adho Mukha Swastikasana. So we do very active poses from last half an hour. So just relax, let loose your body in this posture. Supta Swastikasana. You cannot reach, you cannot touch your forehead on that floor. So you can take some height for your forehead. You can pillow, loads, whatever you have, small stool, you can take support and you can rest. So you get free and relax. Downward facing Swastikasana. Yes, release, inhale and come up. Change your simple cross leg. Most of people not doing both side of crossing leg. Like in Marathi उसको मांडी कहते हैं, in हिंदी पलाटी जो है चेंज करना है, पलाटी को चेंज करना है. Yes, simple cross leg. And one more time, exhale and bend forward. Yes, go down. Yes, very good. Recover, recover. Breathe. Very nice. Few more poses is waiting for you, so be ready for that. Don't accept the notification from your mind. Your body is paining, but that is good. That helps to relax. That gives you a good strength. The all poses are helping to increase your immunity also, muscle strength also, flexibility also. Don't flexible your body, flexible your mind also. So posture is not only for physical aspect, that is the byproduct. Release. Exactly. Now straight your both leg and just bend your right leg. Yes. So before going that, one more time, simple cross leg. We are going to do some twisting. On the right side, keep your left hand on the right knee and other hand is touching the ground. That helps to turn your shoulder, abdomen, upper body. Very good. Release. Other side. Sit straight. Exhale and turn further. Very good. Now release. Change your simple cross leg. One more time going to do this twisting with change your simple cross leg. Yes. No. Leg straight. Which is your first? Ha. Yes. Ha. Now, ha. Exactly. That is the simple cross leg different side. Now turn. Yes. One more time. Parshva Swastikasana. Very good. Release. Don't look down. Look in front. When you turn, look in front. Don't look it down. Look at down. Look in front. In eye level. And then turn. Very good. Yes. Release. Now we are going to do Baddha Konasana also. Those who have knee issues, back issues, or side growing issues, pelvic issues. So the people cannot do, other people definitely do. That helps to improve your flexibility in your growing. So join your feet like that. People call it butterfly pose, but it's not butterfly. We are not moving. So we are just holding our feet and sit straight and pressing our both knee down. Try to touch your both knee to the floor. Maintain small distance between your pelvic girdle to your heel. Take little distance. Yes. Hold with your hands. Hold your feet with your hands. Press your knee down. Yes, very good. Now release. One more time. Legs is coming. Feet is coming too much closer to your pelvic. And now you can press your hip. Feel the pressure on your side growing and inner growing. Observe that. Very good. Maintain this. Breathe. Hold. Try to sit straight. If you look sideways also, I'm not bending my back. Sit straight. Chest up. Yes. Release. Slowly. Relax your legs. Lie down on the back. Hold your right feet, right leg on the abdomen. Yes. Press on your shin bone. So your back will be free. Hold for a few seconds. Release. Change your leg position. Other leg. Yeah. Don't hold the feet. Okay. If you are possible, you can hold the feet or ankle. Yes. Press. So you get relaxation on your back, on your particularly lumbar part. Very good. Release. One more time, other side. Yes. Hold your shin bone. Interlock and yes, like this. Fingers towards your side. Fingers facing towards side. Yes. Okay, now release. Other side. Very good. Release. Both leg. Those who have abdominal issue, the people cannot do. But those who have digestive problem, gases issue, they can do this pose. Hold your knee, both knee with your both hands, both elbow. Yes, neck should be down. Those who are suffering from cervical issue, don't up your neck. Neck is on the ground. Yes. Okay, now please just bend your leg. Hold the ankle. Yes. Now, first loop and then loop. We are going to do Chatushpadasana. Inhale and just press your buttock upward. Suck your buttock. Yes. Try to do this pose. Chatushpadasana. Yes. Very good. Yes. Now release. Hold the ankle with your hands. Release. Buttock down, buttock down. One more time we are going to do. Release. Yes. Breathe, breathe. Now hold the ankle. Yes. Big toe is going inside. All fingers is coming to outside. Grip it well. Inhale. Suck your buttock in and come up. Yes, exactly. Very good. Breathe, breathe. Suck your buttock. Try to press it upward. Press it. Very good. Okay. Now release. Straight your leg. Hands is going over the head. Yes. Stretch your hands upward. Like we did Urdhva Hastasana in standing pose. So we are going to do Supta Urdhva Hastasana. Very good. Extend your hands upward and leg is going downward. Release. One more time we are going to do. Just relax. Breathe. Few more cycle. One more time, hands up. Yes. Don't join your finger. Don't interlock. Just spread your fingers and just extend from the shoulder, elbow, wrist. Yes, exactly. Very good. Okay, now release. Slowly, just hand down. In your back resting pose, you can just do simple cross leg. Yes, simple cross leg. Yes, this is Supta Swastikasana. Those who are suffering from back problem, they people can do. That helps to relax your back. Now in Supta Swastikasana, take a few more cycle of breathing. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. At least 12 cycle of breathing. बार बार सांस लेना है, छोड़ना है. Deep inhalation. Observe and focus your exhalation. We can inhale, but forcefully try to exhale your breath. When you complete your 12 time of breathing cycle, change your simple cross leg. Take a long inhalation, long exhalation. When you finish your breathing cycle, then you can straight your leg. Take a distance between your leg. Flat, simple Shavasana. That is enough for today. Palm facing to ceiling. Neck is a center. Don't turn your neck right or left. Those who need support for the head, they can take the support. Small support, don't take a lot of big or huge support. Relax your tongue from the lower palate. Swallow your saliva. Relax your legs, hands. Relax your right leg, right ankle, right shin, right knee, right thigh, right pelvic. Relax completely. The same left side. Relax your left leg, left ankle, shin, knee, thigh. Completely relax. Relax your abdomen, chest, throat area. Let go completely down on the floor. Let loose your body. Observe your inhalation, exhalation. Slow, soft inhalation. Slow, soft exhalation. Relax your hands also. Shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist, fingers. Relax completely. Relax your front body, back body. Okay. Now slowly come out of your Shavasana. Bend your leg one by one. Hands of the stomach. Bend, bend, bend. Don't be sideways, front. Turn to your right side. Right hand over the head. Knees on the close to your stomach. Yes. Place your left hand on the floor and slowly come up. Open your eyes. This is the end of the session. Those who have any questions, definitely ask. Otherwise, I'll stop.
So, any questions from anyone?
None from me.
Okay. So, Samir, we can also share your number if anybody wishes to approach you. If you could please tell me your number, I'll type it here in the inbox.
Want to tell one thing. I took more standing poses as compared to other, because leg is our base and youth are also base of our country. So standing poses is help to increase your base. That's why I'm taking two more standing poses. So people think he took a lot of standing poses. So that is the purpose behind कि हमारा base अगर अच्छा होगा, so we can improve and give a good performance.
Okay. All right. So, Sabir, if you just tell your number, I will put this on the chat box for if anybody wants to आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, कुछ सलाह लेना चाहेंगे. हाँ.
6.
हाँ, और एक बार बोलिए, आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो गया.
8806.
हाँ.
32 7379.
ठीक है. समीर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस वंडरफुल सेशन. लोग बहुत एंजॉय किया है. सो मैं फेसबुक लाइव में भी देख रहा था, बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए. और yes, I think it's a great way to start the day with the vision of Swamiji, which was one of the main vision was about health and fitness. And hope we together are able to take this nation towards a fit India. And I'm sure that आप जैसे युवा जो इतना मेहनत करते हैं कि योगा रोज सीखने का और लोगों को सिखाने का, you'll be obviously be a lighthouse for other youths to take motivation and inspiration from you. So with this, we again seek blessings from Swamiji. So we are successful in the entire day's event today. So thank you so much, Samir. Namaste.
End of the line of my class, be keeping your mind, fix it. Yoga is a 99% practical and 1% only theory. So it is an experiment and experience art and science also. So don't do only for this day. Try to keep to consistency and continuously in your daily life also. That is, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.